Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a headlight in a Ford Ecosport. Before we begin, always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. You will need a new headlight bulb, a pair of clean gloves, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Wearing gloves is crucial to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb, ensuring its longevity and proper function. Now let's get to the bulb. First, open your Ford Ecosport's hood and secure it firmly with the prop rod. Next, locate the back of the headlight assembly, which is directly behind the light housing. You will see a round, black rubber dust cap or protective cover. Gently but firmly pull this cap off to expose the bulb and its wiring. Set it aside in a clean, safe place for reinstallation later. With the dust cap removed, you will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small locking tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Now, grasp the old bulb, twist it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and carefully pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, ensuring you do not touch the glass, insert it into the housing, and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise until it feels secure. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the base of your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Before closing everything up, turn on your Ford Ecosport's headlights to verify that the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, push the rubber dust cap back onto the headlight assembly, making sure it forms a tight seal. Finally, lower and secure your vehicle's hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.